So right now I will show you the easiest way to use Snapchat from your computer. On your computer browser, search here Snapchat web, and as a search results, here you will find official Snapchat web link. Go to the link and you will directly jump into web.snapchat.com official page. Here we have to log into our Snapchat account using our account username or email address. So add here your account email address or username, or you can use your phone number instead. Then click on login, and now write here your Snapchat account password, and here you can enable Snapchat notification. And now you have to verify your sign in. So on your Snapchat mobile, you will get a notification. So go to your Snapchat app on your mobile and verify your login, and then you will be logged into your web from computer. Once you successfully logged in, you can use your webcam or your laptop camera to capture yourself, and in this left hand menu here you will find all of your conversations. You can go ahead and start chat with someone just like so. Also you can make a audio call, you can make a video call here, and you can also add a new friend. Go to your profile, and here you will find a bunch of different options to change your account settings. So this is how we can use Snapchat in computer.